So here I've added 3 cords of 4 mm and length is 2 meter. Now I'm going to make a wrapping knot around here. So for that I'm using the same orange color, and what you can do, just bring them all together like this. And this cord was almost of a 40 to 50 centimeter, the orange color cord. Again, now we have the end left, so the end is going through this loop. Once you're done that, pull this one back as we do, and once this cord is in the middle, just bring it to cut, and there we go. And if you see any of the cords going loose or anything, just you can pull them like that. There we go. And now start making the braid. Okay, for the braid I'm taking 2 cords like this and starting to make so here I'm making the braid, which is going to have 4 of them in the middle and 2 I'm going to use the braid. Making this knot, and we will definitely have to add the working cord, which I'll show you. So just to be sure, you can use 4 mm cord for this 4 meter cord for this braid. Okay, so I was only able to make this much out of 2 meter. What I'm going to do now is again pin it down and like here, pin it down, and I'm adding a 2 meter long cord again. So how you can join it is like this. So put it here to outside like this and make a knot on top of it. So like this, and go through again the same knot. There we go. So you can see it is the same knot. And now I am going to make the same knot using these 2 as filler cords. You can bring them outside so that you can cut them simply, or you can cut them now so that you don't have to worry about this, and make another knot. Or what you could have done is added the 4 meter cord for making braid, and the rest you could have done used 2 meter for or 4 or 2 cords for of 2 meter for the middle part and 4-meter cord for the braid. Or if you already have cut or something, like in my case I cut it already for something else, so I didn't want to, and because I didn't have the bundle of the same color, so I used this. Okay, now keep creating. Once you're done, finished with this, will be enough for the hang. Okay, so this you can see the cord is short now, the one we were using for the braiding, and I am now going to tie it so that the braid will be of almost 50 centimeter. Okay, and what I'm going to do, so these 4, which are the what do you call, the filler cords, I'm using them to tie in here, so bring them like that through, and again these, bring them through and like this, and you have these 2 to hang on it. So we want these ones to be tied. So just take and go through like a hitch knot around it, and do the same with this one, and keep this gap because we want to tie a double hitch knot, wrapping knot around it. There we go, and try to make the same gap because it will be otherwise. So you can see they did the same gap, and we're going to do the same with the these ones and this one to here. Here I'm taking, okay, so here we've tied, and now I'm going to use this 1 meter long cord and make a longer loop than this size and start wrapping around it. Like this. Wrapping up to here. Okay, so here I've wrapped it all. Now you can see this is here, and now I'm going to bring this through the loop, and I'm going to pull this. And here we are. And if you see either of the cord looks loose out here, so you can pull them through here. Should be it. make sure this one pulled to this side and these cords are pulled to this side to